What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Just yesterday this trailer for this new FPS Bodycam game came out and it looks basically like real life, like let's just be honest. It is called UNRECORD and it is being developed by a very small indie studio of 3 people. Yes, 3 people in Unreal Engine 5. Now there's been a lot of doubts about the gameplay that we're seeing here, regarding if it's real or fake. But they just did posts on Steam where they say that the game is developed on Unreal Engine 5 and the game footage is captured from a packaged build and played using a keyboard and mouse, and it is not a VR game. So there you go, just in case you had any doubts about it. And yeah, I mean, I get that people did not believe this at first. It looks like no game that I've seen before made by 3 people. But everything from the camera movement, animations, environments just looks so amazing. Honestly, I don't know how they made the camera movement because the hands and weapons are separated from the camera, which is not the case for the great majority of FPS shooters. It does look like VR, but it isn't, and it just blows my mind. The thing is that they use a new original aiming system with free aiming, authentic ADS, and unrestricted hand movements. Basically, they have made their own aiming system, which is really innovative. And all this links once again to a recent video that I made where now everyone can make a AAA game, and it's now easier with tools such as UE5. Of course, the team is very talented and there's a ton of work putting in here into this project, but you get the idea. Now it's easier than ever to get started. And if you want to get started on game development, my whole YouTube channel is dedicated to Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out if you want to make your first game. Now back to UNRECORD. It is using the latest tech in the industry. As you may know, this includes looming for a dynamic real-time global illumination which brings the environment to life, Nana to have a super detailed high-poly meshes with millions of triangles rendered at the same time, and other UE5 features. I would love to see a sort of behind-the-scenes tech demo or some sort of whatever, just overall of the tech to get an idea of what this talented team are building. I can't wait to see more. And that's it guys, if you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Link to the Steam page in the description. With all that said, join my Discord, and with all that said, bye bye.